I'll be doing a bookshelf collection kind of thing. Okay, so firstly, I'm gonna start here. It's by Hans Christian Andersen, The Complete Fairy Tales and Stories. It's really a tough book. Next is David Williams, The Gangsta Granny. And by the way, this is a book stopper. His mustache is just so cute. James Patterson, I Funny, A Middle School Story. Diary of a Wimpy Kid by Jeff Caney. Roald Dahl, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Percy Jackson and the Battle of the Labyrinth. The Scorched Trials by James Dashner. This is book 2 here. Yeah. Next we go on here. It's just a bunch of cards here and some bookmarks that I have. Okay. First is 10 Things I Want My Daughter to Know by Annie Chapman. Next is A Girl After God's Own Heart by Elizabeth George. Bethy and Veronica Were with the Band. The Friends book for the Friends Was Best at Everything. The School Story. Percy Jackson and the Titans Curse by Rick Riordan. Goliath by Scott Westerfeld. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Ugly Truth by Jeff Caney. Dork Diaries TV Star by Rachel Renee Russell. The Copernicus Legacy by Tony Abbott. This is book 2. Percy Jackson and the Last Olympian by Rick Riordan. Diary of the Wimpy Kid Dog Days by Jeff Caney. Diary of the Wimpy Kid The Long Haul by Jeff Caney. Rachel Renee Russell, The Dork Diaries Pop Star. God Thinks You're Wonderful by Max Lucado, I think. Yep. Percy Jackson and the Sea of Monsters by Rick Riordan. Goosebumps Attack of the Beastly Babysitter by R.L. Stine. Disney Fairies Fearless Talent. Diary of the Wimpy Kid The Last Straw by Jeff Caney. Diary of the Wimpy Kid Hard Luck by Jeff Caney. In the back here is just Kit 1934 Historic Collection by American Girl. Next is Girl Online by Zoe Sugg. Dork Diaries, this is the big one actually, like it's huge, and it's by Rachel Renee Russell. Hunger Games Catching Fire by Suzanne Collins. Diary of the Wimpy Kid Cabin Fever by Jeff Caney. The Report Card. And back here we have The Lion, Witch, and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis. Arabian Nights. Roderick Rules, Diary of the Wimpy Kid by Jeff Caney. Percy Jackson, The Lightning Thief by Rick Riordan. Crescenta Cowell, How to Steal a Dragon's Sword. Diary of the Wimpy Kid, The Third Wheel by Jeff Caney. The Book Thief by Marcus Suzak. The Wimpy Kid Do-It-Yourself book. The Heart of the Mummy by Tommy Dombravo. Manga by Messiah, I don't know this, but it's like an anime kind of thing. The Monstery Murders and Truth by Donna Fletcher Crow. Diary of the Wimpy Kid, the movie diary by Jeff Caney. And Kyla May Misbehaves, an International Super Spy by Kyla May, and this is a book stopper. Shit like that. And that's all my books. I still have more, but it's with all of my friends having it. So this is the first shelf, second shelf, and the third shelf. Bye guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.